Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. It is me again, Mom Angel. Welcome to my channel. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe. You're welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you guys what I bought for Easter. We are Easter period and there is holiday, so the kids will eat, the full family will eat. Okay, so we bought some food stuff, African food stuff. Okay, this time is African food stuff we bought that will take us till the end of the month. So guys, sit down, relax, and see what we bought. Bye bye. Okay guys, as you can see my turkey, one cutter of turkey. We have our puree, we have our pounded yam. As you can see, I have my tilapia fish. 2 cartons here. Oh my gosh, this is it. 2 cartons of tilapia. I have 2 bags of rice. I have a lot of fish. Okay guys, this is my fish. This is my scorpion. Oh my god, I have my scorpion fish is here. Okay, this is my fresh pepper. My fresh pepper. My crayfish is ground already. I ground it. Have my pounded yam. Wow, a lot of food to be. See, turkey. This is turkey. 2 puree noodles. I have my noodles. 2 noodles. 2 cartons of noodles. This is custard. This is Maggi. It just coming. Oh my god. Enough food to be eating. Wow, wow, wow. This is my food styles for this month. African food. African food. You can come and join us. We have our tilapia. Oh my god. This is my tilapia fish. Okay guys, wait. Okay, this is my tilapia fish. It's very big. 2 cartons of tilapia fish. I have, as I said before, this crayfish, pepper, fresh pepper. We have our pounded yam here. This fish. Okay guys, we did a lot of things. Can come and eat. Yummy yummy. A lot of food. The turkey is here. Okay, this carton of turkey. We have our pounded yam. Okay, this is my pounded yam. I also have gari. Hold on, guys. We have gari is here. Yes, we have gari. This is the yellow gari. Okay, this is the yellow gari. The pounded yam is here. It's just coming. Okay guys, oh my god, I think we have semo is there. Okay, so come and eat. Come and join us. Ooh. Come and eat. This is my crayfish. Yummy. Okay, this is my grounded pepper. This is my grounded pepper. I have not opened it. This is pepper. Okay, grounded pepper. Why this one is fresh pepper. Fresh pepper. And we have our scorpion. Okay, we have 1 carton of scorpion. Yes, you can see scorpion. Okay, it's fish. So come and eat, come and eat, come and eat. The food is here. Okay guys, this is 1 full carton of yam. And this is another carton of plantain. As you can see, we have plantain, we have full carton of yam, we have another rice. Okay, these are the things we bought for this our Easter period. Okay guys, it's plantain. Oh, I cannot open it. Anyway, as you can see, this plantain. Okay guys, it's plantain. We are going to eat and jubilate. Okay guys,